Recent reports reveal that the Vivo X200 series will be launching soon globally, having received approval in multiple markets. Malaysia seems poised to be one of the first to receive the new series, as the company has already started teasing it there. Tipster Paris Gaglani claims the phones could be unveiled on November 22nd. Release rumored to be December 2024, the Vivo X200 lineup includes 3 phones: X200, X200 Pro, and X200 Pro Mini. It's powered by the next-generation Dimensity 9400 chipset with up to 16GB of RAM and 512GB of storage and run an OriginOS 15-based Android 14. All phones have a 120Hz refresh rate and an ultrasonic in-screen fingerprint sensor. New reports have revealed that the lineup will also include an Ultra model, which will possibly debut in Q1 2025. The Oppo Find X8 Ultra is featuring the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. That's it for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.